Welcome to Land House. I'm Seth. If you're new to the channel, thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate that you've taken the time to watch one of my videos. So, it is Tuesday. If you don't know, Tuesday for the past 8 to 10 months has been my day for YouTube. It's my day off from work and the day that I get my videos made. But it's February 25th. And the last good Tuesday we had, as far as beautiful clear weather, was New Year's. That's 2 months of bad days. So the content here has really suffered. You've just seen stuff that I've done in the shop or kind of tinkering around. And the past couple of weeks I've been in that new building working. But that's not the purpose of the title of this video, which is that I am struggling, but it is a good thing. So what's happened is YouTube has promoted 3 of my videos as a suggested video promotion, which is unusual for my channel. So what's happened is I went to the Stony Ridge Farm YouTube channel with Josh, and we installed a ram pump, and he sent a lot of traffic to my channel. And one video in particular, the ram pump 2019 startup. And so when that video got those extra views, YouTube saw that it's a popular video. So they promoted it for about 5 days. The channel went from about 200,000 views per month to 750,000 in a month. Huge increase for this channel. Some new subscribers, close to 6,000 in about 20 days or so, which is really awesome. But what that means for me, why I'm struggling, is that this is the second half of ram pump orders that are going out this week. It's about 20 of them. Ashley and I spent maybe 6 hours getting the first 20 out. It's been good and also stressful to get out 45 pumps in just a couple of weeks. I am working hard to get those orders fulfilled if you're watching this and have ordered one of these. So that being said, as you can tell, it is kind of a wet, rainy day. It rained about 12 hours yesterday. The ground is saturated, and I'm not really sure I want to get out there and do anything today in fear of getting the camera wet. So I'm gonna head over to a friend's house where another friend and I are remodeling their bathroom. We've already gutted the whole thing, and my friend has already put up some of the wall in there. It's a green board. I'm not exactly sure what that means, besides it being waterproof. I'm gonna switch over to the GoPro and we will get some of that footage. And I'm gonna continue making pressure tanks for the next 30 minutes and then clean up some of the aftermath of ram pump production. But anyway, I really hope sometime in the near future we will have a good Tuesday, because I need to do a few things like work on the playhouse, because that series will be coming out soon. And then I started burying a pipe. I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's a attachment over there, and the pipe's going to go underground to the garden space. In preparation for the 2020 ram pump startup video and the startup of the ram pump tests. There's going to be a bunch of them. I've got, I think, 25 written down, and more are coming in as people are leaving comments. But anyway, enough talk. Let's get to work. A couple years ago I made this miter saw stand, and it has worked out really well but it was a unanimous decision in the comments that I should have put a back on here. I didn't want to because it was going to take up so much of the plywood I had at the time. And there's been no racking of this whole stand, but the problem is dust falls into the shelf space here, and it's super annoying. So I just got a piece of cardboard. I'm going to go ahead and cut this and staple it in here. But I got to thinking, it might be kind of nice to attach a hose up here to the bag. Take the bag off, put a hose in, and wrap it in here, and maybe make a box that could catch some of the dust with a hose. I don't know. We may come back to that later, but for now, I just want to get my junk off the floor and put it back on my shelf. So let's go ahead and get this piece of cardboard cut. 25.5, and let's just say 10 on that one. Is this as cool as having a solid sheet of plywood back here? Maybe not, but it will certainly keep dust from getting back there. So go ahead and flip this around here. What do you think? I like it. Okay, so what I was storing in here before, dog clippers, and lots of fasteners like those staples and my Craig pocket hole screws, that kind of thing. Just makes a nice clean plate there. But what I was thinking about someday in the future, let me spin you around here. So this bucket is what I've been using to test the flow rate of the micro hydro system. But before I had this top piece here, and I was going to use it for a hose to go to my vacuum system. So it might be fun to attach this to that saw and cut the pipe. I don't know, I could probably even turn it sideways to fit in there and catch some of that dust. We'll see. That's a project for later though, because I have to go ahead and get ready to go work on that bathroom remodel. Okay, it's bathroom remodel time. I've never done sheetrock before, so don't know what to take. Gloves, eye protection, and a hammer, and that's it. I guess I'll find out what I should have brought whenever I get there. But okay, let's head off to town and go work on a bathroom. Yeah, it's a rainy day today. Imagine that. So we'll pop it towards the back. Huh? We'll pop it towards the back.
Registry. Well, I didn't even ask for it.
Well, thank you. Well, that's all the bathroom work that I'm going to do today. It was a little awkward in there with 3 men in a tub trying to film and work. So I hope you enjoyed those little clips. But the longer we were in there, the better the day was out here. Car says 61 degrees at 3:30. So I guess this officially breaks the 8 weeks of Tuesday rain. So maybe next week we can get out and do some stuff. I've got a lot of things planned, so maybe it'll be pretty good. But I'm gonna take some parts back to plumbing store here and we'll see what else we can get into. I just got here to my parents' house. I actually ordered a futon for her office, and it is here. This thing weighs 100 and something pounds, so I'm guessing the top of my car? I don't know. Let's find out how I'm gonna move this thing. Yeah, you hang out here for just a second, and let's find out. Yeah, it's pretty heavy, all right. Oh, goodness. I work out though, so I should be able to take care of this, right? I've got the car seat, so I can't really put that down unless it would fit in there this way. Let's try that first before I hoist this thing up to the top. So in these old 2006 Toyota Matrix, the seats would fold all the way down. Would, but they do. And there's this hard back on them, so we'll see if this box will slide in here. I don't know if it'll fit height-wise though. Give it a try. No, there's no way that's gonna fit. All right, let's see what I can do. There's a few things I've learned over the years about picking up heavy boxes is hold your breath, lock your knees, bend at the hip, like hit the back. You just don't do that. Okay, just got this thing strapped down here. I've hauled a lot of stuff on this car and so far I haven't lost anything. So these straps here are the main supports, and then the one strap that goes over the top here is my security blanket. So if for some reason the others fail, this one at least keep it from falling off into the road. Okay, I'm gonna grab some water and head back to the house. I just stepped inside and saw that I had a package. Looks like China is shipping out again from where we had the virus strike. So this is either gonna be for the micro hydro system, or it's a couple of valves for another project I'm working on. Yep, micro hydro. So this is, let's get you set down here. A push fitting, 2-inch. So the thought is, whenever you have a 2-inch poly pipe, there is a lot of friction loss if you try to use the barb fittings that go inside the pipe. And so with this, your pipe goes inside of here, and there's there's less friction loss than if you had the barb fitting. So you'd unscrew this, and you would take this little sleeve and you'd put that on the 2-inch pipe, stick it in there as far as it'll go, and when you put this on here, it'll tighten that down onto the pipe and hopefully do what we need it to do. Cool. So I bought this, I forget, I'll have to check the price. Somewhere around 20 bucks, 15, 20, I can't remember. If you buy them in the US, you're looking at 40 bucks easy. So I just wanted to see the quality of this thing. It looks like it's top notch. So I will probably have to buy 8 or 9 of these, maybe 10. We'll have to see. Because the hose that I'm going to be buying, or the poly pipe, comes in 100-foot sections. So I'll have to have several of these for my micro hydro system. Cool. All right. I'll have to order a bunch more of these. First, I should talk to my local plumbing place to see if they can deliver in 200-foot sections or if it needs to be in 100 foot. All right, made it to the house here. Now I need to find out a way to get it inside. I think I'll go around the back because it's a shorter distance and hopefully be able to use my wheelbarrow. So let me see if I can pull this thing back down. Okay, I got this box in here. I had to go shower real quick because I gotta meet Ashley and the kids somewhere back in town, but it's here. So we'll get this installed maybe this afternoon or tomorrow, and that will probably be the end of this vlog. But anyway, gotta go to town. So we just got back from our meeting. It's 9:45 at night, and I just got snappy with Ashley, my wife. She's off camera because she's in her pajamas. Oh, okay. Well, here she is. She doesn't care. Okay. Remember, even if you're tired, you should do stuff around the house because you're supposed to go to bed exhausted, right?
I told you it was bigger.
So anyway, we're gonna put this couch together here. Futon, I guess is what it actually is.
It's a futon, yeah.
Okay. Okay, just like that, we made it complete, and looks pretty good. It actually took us an hour and a half to get this done. Okay. It was really a pain, but what do you think?
I like it. It's really cute.
Good. Okay, last night's outro was a little bit poor, so let's go ahead and take a look at this futon one more time. It's very pink, but it kind of fits with Ashley's office decor. It is kind of nice. Huh?
Mommy.
Mom went to the potty.
Mommy, Dad, look.
A brand new couch, huh? It's probably off limits because we don't want to get it dirty.
But it is orange.
Here comes Arrow Monster.
I want to love this cow.
You think Arrow Monster's gonna love this couch?
Uh-huh.
He probably will.
I love playing with this cow.
Oh dear. I just hope Mom never sees this video. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you have comments, write those down below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.
This cat is a little bit dumpy.
A little bit jumpy. Oh no. Not the urn. Not the urn.